In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer, the free version. Sorry, not this one. This one, misclick. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click consent and select note icon at the bottom left corner. Then tap on those three lines at the bottom right one, Select Set as Live Wallpaper and hit yes. Now click on this gear at the top right corner. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. You can even select one of those presets and hit yes to apply it. Lastly, select Set Wallpaper, decide where you wish to set it up, and go back. As you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!